My journey with NYP started back in my secondary school days. So back then I was part of the Infocom Club and had the opportunity to come to NYP on several occasions for the Singapore Games Creation Competition. So that coupled along with my love for playing games actually spurred me to enter this course.
I would say back in secondary school, I was very timid and afraid of challenges. So that being said, when I first entered Polytechnic, I was very afraid since it was a whole new different environment.
The thing I enjoy most is actually spending a lot of time with my classmates because we tend to spend a lot of time after school hours working on our projects, stressing together.
That's why the friends that you make in poly normally are the one that stay with you for life, because it's the one that you are most close with because you share common interests, and that is the most important thing.
Our school has always encouraged us to participate in competitions, external activities, and to keep working on personal projects to hone our skills and expand our horizons.
Since secondary school, I've always liked being involved in the community and volunteering. So when I came to Poly and found out about the academic club, I decided to actively participate in it.
So I believe what I've learned will be definitely quite beneficial, especially in our third year, where we'll be taking up industry projects.
With this unique training, we expand our graduates' employability beyond design disciplines. Graduates can be employed in non-design organizations such as banks or medical institutions to aid in the development of innovative business transformation solutions.
I was given the opportunity this year to work on the National Day Parade with a few of my classmates. Working on a project of national scale is really nerve-wracking and it pushed me out of my comfort zone. I'm really thankful for this experience.
The team has been working really hard and I think we did really well incorporating Singapore culture into our projection and also making Singaporeans feel proud.
The school and the industry work very closely, so even before the student graduates, they actually already start their relationship with the industry. So from internship, from mentorship, we really see how the students has grown from there.
Novotel has worked with NYP on a number of service experience design workshops and projects. The students came up with this fantastic idea that one of these things that you think, why hasn't anybody ever thought of that before? And these are the kind of things that we need to have in the hotel business. Fresh thinking and practical thinking.
The Nanyang Poly graduates as well as faculty are passionate, they're diligent. We find them very sincere. We find them very committed.
I think for Nanyang Poly, we've had huge success in a lot of areas, particularly in areas of world skills, where we have had world skills champions coming out of the school.
World skills has taught me how to problem solve during very stressful situations, and this has been a very fulfilling experience overall.
The lectures here are a lot more helpful and more inclusive. They will challenge you like all the time. And because of that, I think it's quite fulfilling.
We are SEN, School of Design and Media.